Hi, this is Shay with Trucks to Sales here today looking at this 2014 4-axle dump truck with 20-foot max lane dump body from Haul Lane Manufacturing. This one does not have the outside hoist. The hoist is actually inside the bed, as you can see. We got about a 30-inch gap there between the bed and the cab, and that leaves us a 26-foot 7-inch axle spread on this one for a federal bridge formula of 60,000 GVW. Exactly 60,000 road legal GVW on this. Some states, you know, would be more, but that is the federal bridge formula. Steerable lift axle there in the back. We got the hitch plate, trench gate on this one. Got the reverse lights right there tucked up on the frame rails. Yeah, definitely nice truck here. And we raised the fuel tank, so we got the fuel tank higher off the ground, extra ground clearance, upgraded front suspension, 315 tires. This one has a big block Cummins engine. We're thinking it should be around 17-ton road legal GVW. Go ahead and jump in the cab here. This one we did the PTO switch, just one of these toggle switches there. Has navigation system and our mechanical control package. This is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Thank you for viewing. Please visit our website at www.truckstosales for more information. Thank you.